Tonight I'm riding a black unicorn down the side of an erupting volcano while licking on a strawberry ice cream cone. Welcome to the September 2018 Voltaire video newsletter. As always, we are going to start with where am I playing near you? How dare he interrupt my video? Where am I playing near you? I have a whole bunch of shows coming up. Let's see. Okay, September 28th, I have an all-ages show in New York City. It happens very rarely, so I really hope you will come. It's at the Knitting Factory in Brooklyn. I'm playing with my friends Crystal Bright and the Long Losts. Do not want to miss this show. Then, October, goddamn it, 13th? I think it's October 13th. I'm at Sinister Creature Con in Sacramento, California. October 19th, I'm trying to book a show in Manchester, New Hampshire, but it hasn't happened yet, but I'm still working on it. October 27th, I'm in Pittsburgh at Cativo, and the 30th, I'm at the Goat in New Orleans. So, and no, there's shows in November too. What are they? November 10th, I'm at Steampunk November in Mansfield, Texas, and November 17th, I'm at E Creativos La Convención in Monterrey, Mexico. So finally a Mexico show. So those are all the shows I presently have planned for 2018. Hold on now. Okay. But it's melting. This might not have been such a good idea. Anyway, but there could always be more shows, so stay tuned. You never know when I'm going to add some more of them. In other news, song meanings and origins. Well, that's a video series that I started a while back, and I thought I was gonna do one a week for a while, but to be honest, nobody's watching them. I don't know. It's like, how do you? I don't understand how you have like I have 115,000 subscribers, and like one of those videos gets like 4,000 views. So, look, I'm not offended. I'm not hurt. My feelings aren't hurt. It's just that I have to think about what's the best way to use my time. And if I'm making something that so few people are watching, I probably should do something else instead.
So I wrote the letter.
Hold on. Okay. Which brings us to Gothic. That doesn't mean I'm going to stop making them. I just don't know if I should make it every single week anymore. But I still plan to make some. Some that are in the queue are The Night and Riding a Black Unicorn, that song. And also, what was the other one I was doing? Oh, Crusade. So, you know, I've got some in the queue that I'm probably gonna do. But yeah, man, we YouTubers, we make videos for you to watch. If you don't watch them, what's the point of us making them? So watch that shit. I don't know what that is. Some rap song. Gothic Homemaking, on the other hand, still working very hard on Gothic Homemaking. In fact, there's gonna be a double dose of Gothic Homemaking through for the rest of September. Every Monday and Chidlins. Every Monday and Thursday at its new time, which is 13 o'clock. There'll be a Halloween haul. I already did Michael's. I already did Joanne's. Coming up this Thursday is, I think, Pier 1. And then I'm doing TJ Maxx and I'm doing Pottery Barn. And at some point I have to hit Kmart and Target. So those are happening like every Monday and Thursday until I've done them all. Probably up until like October 1st. So that's something that's happening. And then also, I want to point out that I have been working on a game. I have an idea for a card game. It's like Magic the Gathering, but it's Gothic Homemaking themed. The idea is that you've been selected to host the annual Monsters Ball. But you have to first secure a castle or a mansion or a graveyard, and then you have to decorate it, and you have to get the right catering, you know, like, I don't know, maybe a ghost buffet or maybe the vampires, you know, serving blood punch. You gotta choose entertainment. And if you can get some famous people to come to your party to reserve, you know, to RSVP earlier, then you get extra points. So people like Elvira, you know, or Tim Burton, not mentioned by name, of course, but they'll be hinted at heavily. So that, I don't know, I don't have a name for it yet. I wanted to call it Monster Bash, but that's taken. And I thought maybe I'll call it Monster Mansion, but that's taken. So I don't know what it's going to be called yet. But that's something I'm presently working on. And then of course the new album, What Are the Odds, is happening. I'm still working on it. I just got some tracks for a song called She's Glowing by a very good friend of mine who's the guitarist in Guns N' Roses, a fellow named Richard Fortis, who actually I met like the year that I wrote She's Glowing, which was like 89 or 90 or something like that. But anyway, so we just collaborated on that. And so that album's still, I'm gonna say that album will be out before the end of the year. Don't know when exactly, but sometime before the end of the year. Also, speaking of Gothic Homemaking Halloween hauls, some of them have contests at the end. And if you watch them all through to the end, like past the part where it says subscribe and like, because I know that's when people tune out, there's a little contest. So I'm gonna do all of the prizes, I think like October 1st or something. So there's probably 8 of them that have contests at the end. So watch them, comment on them, submit to the contest, and you might win something. You might win something cool from the Lair. Was there something else I want to tell you about? You know, there's so much going on. But my ice cream's melting, so I gotta go. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.